Laptops are frustrating. Come on, laptop. Thank you. Thank you, bro. Just making sure my files are all synced up. Syncing the files. Syncing the files. Okay. 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 Pretty broken. Pretty broken behavior, but we are here to change it. Okay, so the mission today is just to make this friendly dragon entity behave better relative to all the other entities, because it's sort of been in the game for a long time. It had some very specific behavior we wanted it to have on very specific levels, but now we are at the time when we're generalizing that behavior out into the rest of the game, deciding how it interacts with everything else, and so forth. So I'm just making some changes and not even being that careful yet. Transmutables, find a heavy thing. I need to make it so you could push it. Where do we add things? So here we go. If it's a rover, I guess we push it. Foreign entity occupies square. Okay, so we are going to take that out. I'm going to make it so the dragon can be on gems. Oops, sorry, front, yeah. There. Whoops. If it's a guy, else if it's a friendly dragon, continue. Okay, so okay, what else? Let's just see what happens. Let's see what that does. Let's see what that does. We've just got to figure out what Chunky's deal is. We've just got to figure out what Chunky's deal is. Okay. So this guy... Oh, nope, still swapping with him. That's not supposed to happen. I can pull him, though. Yeah. Doesn't have those animations, but that's cool. Okay, so that's a plus. We're starting to figure out what Chunky's deal is. He still swaps with people all the time. Okay, so we'll see if the dragon can go into the target square as well. Okay, hold on. Let's deal with the swap with. What? Like, where is that even coming from? Maybe there. What is happening here? Closing a transaction. That is no longer a thing. Wow, that's a lot of rockets today, man. That I feel like we're blasting onward in a diagonal direction. That's what I wait. Why is the dragon following? No, don't follow this guy. Why are you following him? Why? That is not. I'm literally shaking right now. Okay. What is happening? Why are we getting there? Well, let's debug it. Let's try out our brand new LLVM debug fixes that made it better. Yeah, maybe we need to add downward left rocket as well for the level 3 subs. And then you could put rockets on a collision course with each other as well as the Earth. It would be very exciting. It's loading the stupid symbol. Just, they haven't changed. Keep the file. What is your problem? Oh my God, why did I ever turn that on? It's insane how bad some of these things are. All right, so okay, do we ever end up here by virtue of me? No. Weird. Why did he start following me? Maybe his following ID isn't set, but he's still... Drag and respond to guy move. Dragon respond to guy move. Well, he's definitely responding. So we're in the closed transaction. Oh, we do maybe follow anyway. Okay, okay, yeah, this is not good. I didn't read the code. You know how I don't read the code? I also didn't do it this time. So let's just do this. We're just going to go to move transaction. And here, we're going to go if dragon.entity following ID is equal to single.entity ID. I don't know, that code was too convoluted anyway. Did not like it. No, sir. And did not like it. Did not like it. Hey, now he's not responding to me. I can walk through him, which is maybe not the best, but okay. And then I could pull him. That's great. Also walk through though, that's not great. And then, okay, that's something. We're doing the swapsies. We're doing the swapsies. Okay, we gotta, when a dude gets pushed, we gotta make that not count. Voluntary only. Volitional, whatever. I mean, really, so I'm going to start making some notes. Okay. Wonderful. Reset. Okay, I can still walk through, and that's not good. Still drag him. Drag him. Okay. Come here. Great. Now this guy's gonna push him out. Now he doesn't get followed. Okay. But the dragon is still in following mode. Interestingly. Okay, so here's what we got to do. If it's a controller proc, we'll do this stuff. Otherwise, stop following me. Stop following me. Stop following me. Stop following me. Stop it. Stop following me. Okay. So this guy's going to push him out of the way. And now the dragon just chilled. And now he's not following. That's great. Okay, wonderful. Now we got to deal with the fact that everybody walks through the stupid dragon. Not good. Okay. Is willing to go, yeah. All right. Trying to figure out freezer, gate, rock, promise, gem, over tree. I don't quite get it. I think maybe I do this. Think maybe I do that. I don't know. I don't know. Dag nabbit. Okay. Here we go. Okay, what was I gonna... Oh, I just want to know. Okay, I still can frickin'... That's not good. Why? Okay, so this was not the way. How is it? So we say array add-on pushes, but that's if it's a rover only for that case. Here's the other case, and I believe that's the only other. So that's for charming it, which we'll deal with later. Okay, so we're back here. So we're looking at E. Oh, we just don't do this. So is there an else clause on this? Nope. Oh, but we just, okay. Yeah. Okay. I don't understand why this is all cased out like this, but okay. Hey, look, I'm pushing it. Pushing the dragon. Yeah. Take that, bucko. Bucko. Wait, what happened there? What? Oh. Okay, I need to make an exception for when sit rep, we have a subscriber. Sit rep. Okay, here we go. Boom. Okay, now I can swap with him again. That's good. And then, boom. Okay, that probably didn't take us out of follow mode either. So mm, let's put a flag. Okay. Actually, let's just do this. Okay. Toggle friendly dragon. Stop following. Swap friendly dragon with. Maybe follow. Okay. So much code gone. Okay. There's so much sit repping happening, guys. I mean, I realize it happened like 20 minutes ago, but this is a situation that must be represented, which is what sit rep, of course, stands for. We are about the sit rep here at this channel. We are always repping the sit. All right. There's even more sit rep. Oh my gosh. Why did the dragon... Oh, he was probably still in follow mode. Okay, now he should go out of follow mode. No, he didn't. Why? 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 That one works. Now he's out of follow mode. But I just supposedly did it. So when I do this... Do you know what I'm saying? When I do that, he was supposed to follow instructions. Let's not do that. That's why it didn't happen. Let's also get something like this here. Okay. Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Okay. That worked surprisingly well. What if we put two? Okay. What about that? Okay. Okay. Follow me now. Oh, wrong key. Okay, so when this guy was going blocked, that wasn't good. So we need to not stop following if it's a stationary move. Or, yeah. Yeah, if it's a stationary... Okay, and then we also need a can go on the follow there. Okay, So let's get rid of these then. So what are the many things we want to get rid of? So here, that's hosed. Okay, and then the stationaries. Okay. Let's just delete the breadcrumb stuff. We don't want them lines of code hanging around. So many. Ugh. So many breadcrumbs. Okay, delete. Gone. Gone. Okay. If can go, dragon, boring, no. Then we do this stuff. Okay. Else, stop following dragon. Okay. But boring is when the dragon works for the boring company. And back here, if the dragon's doing the can, then we go. Dang it. I guess that means dragons can go on to dragons. They can't there, though. Oh, because we're I think we're ignoring. We're ignoring that transaction. Which means we're ignoring that transaction. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Yeah, the washing machine, this is the perks of the subscriber-only stream, is that you get to hear the washing machine. It's an up-close and personal audio experience of my life that most people don't get to have. Actually, it's the dryer, not the washing machine. Psych. Okay. Oh, I forgot to check that this other thing worked. Reverse perks, no. That's a plus perk. Yeah, there's also a low battery smoke detector, but it only beeps like once a day. So it's like somehow not that low battery. Okay. Manually check whether someone else in this transaction is trying to go to the target because we told can go to. Okay, so for every single move, I mean, okay, this is not going to be the best. It still didn't work. W T F. Oh wait, we set E. This is confusing. Let's say other. Oh, we want if yes is flat, not if no is flat. This is not flat. This is not flat. It's like you think the world is flat. Little do you know, it's a line segment. Hey, okay, good. Okay. Great. That might be enough on the friendly dragons today. But there is another Skywalker. And that is here. That is here. Oh, we do this. Wait, what? What is willing to go? Okay, that was incomplete. That was incomplete. 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 Yeah. It's about 60% complete. Yeah, totally. If that's what you want to believe, go right ahead. It is totally 60%. Every time. Yo, dragons. Yo, dragons. Go, dragons. Oh, oh. They both sank into the same square. We'll decide what to do there. Wowter. Wowter. Okay, this is basically all the gameplay stuff that I wanted to do tonight. We got a few unresolved questions here, but that's fine because we have our design meeting tomorrow. How is it going, everybody? Any comments or questions or considerations? Dang it. I'm literally shaking right now. Oh, do you hear the little melody that's being played? Feeling fine. That is better than I was feeling when I was trying to play Gas Station Simulator last night. Oh, that's a no check-in. I didn't read the thing. What's the no check-in? Oh. Charm. I forgot charm. Let's do that. Let's do it. We don't check in yet. It's not Miller time yet. 12. Charmed by. Oh, wait. Really? Charmed by. Oh, what? Charmed by. I see. Get charmed entities. Okay, we're looking here. We're just shaking right now. Okay, so that's how we get the charmed entities. And I didn't even put the word if. Lol. And then So the guy's loop there is for things that charm. And then we find things. Okay. 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 Let's just not even do that, dude. Still working on the shipwreck puzzle. Why would you play a puzzle game that has ships in it? Like, if the people in the world of the puzzle game could not take care of their boat well enough for it not to sink, why should you be bothered with that shit? You know what I'm saying? Like, if they can't keep their boat above water, what do they expect you to do? Oh, yeah. Okay, so we got to test Charmed, which I just didn't even do. And then here, okay. Okay. So if it's a rover, then we could push stuff. You left your doodle in that room. Why did you do that, though? I know. There's a game called Doodle Jump that you can play where you jump to where the doodle is. It's on iOS. You know what we're gonna do for the people? This is for the people. Doodle Jump is like, you know, guys, video games, I don't know if you know this. Video games are among the highest technology software that exists. Game engines are very technologically challenging and just basically really kick ass. And so Doodle Jump is really the highest technology that mankind has to offer. Really. For some definition of really. Some things failing to compile. So it says when I select subscriber only, that only subscribers will get notifications. Like, you know, it says only fans will get your notifications, right? That's what it says. Oh! Dang it, what level is this? Carpet bomb. What? Didn't get a notification for this one. Well, write to your senator and say, Senator Justin, your website justin.tv does not work. Dude, every time I post on Twitter now, the angry JavaScript programmers get very angry. I mean, I kind of know why, but also... bleh. Bleh. Why? Because I don't believe that they are geniuses who invented all of computer science in the past 5 years. Weak self-identities, basically. it's like, do you even lift? Yeah, it's very bad. Very, very bad. So how do I search for this? So I can basically test use SIMD or not. Use SIMD Crawford. Because I think that's what's going wrong. There were some checked in changes to finding things, right? And like, I don't even know. Is someone about to lose access to the compiler? No. This is someone who has done a lot of really good work so far. It's just mistakes were made. Mistakes were made. How is it like, oh, it's overwriting with... It like found one later. Okay, so it's very consistently messing up. If we go use SIMD is not true, and we rebuild. I've got bitter herb. You guys get a sneak preview of my awesome shirt that I'm going to wear during some stream. That's what you get as your subscriber benefit. I got my Tony's Pizza shirt. It's going to be good. Tony's Pizza. There we go. Early access shirt knowledge. That's right. I wonder if it'll be patched before release. All right. All right. Did this. Wait, what did we just do? Oh, I turned off SIMD and it's working. Okay, so I have to now we're going to have to let's try this. When you get out of, wait, what? What just happened? Why didn't it do anything? Why? I said reverse merge and like miraculously nothing happened. Maybe. What? Okay, let's see if that one fixes it. When you get out of that tunnel. You got bitter herb. Okay, did that. 18:59, 10:19 p.m. Okay. It seems to be fixed. Okay, so I'm going to say this wasn't okay. Well, hold on. Revert R16496. Wait, what? Oh yeah, that's part of that. What the fuck? Dude, I fucking hate this. What is... Like, source control isn't this hard, guys. Okay, hold on. I've got to revert everything again. And I've got to try again. Like, oh my god. All right. What the conflicted with what? I just reverted. I'm literally shaking right now. Literally revert everything. Revert it. Reverta Williams. Cleanup. Update. It says we're at 16,500. Okay. Let me just revert. Okay. I'm going to command line it. SVN reverse merge. I think you say SVN merge -R. and then maybe the single number. SVN merge dash R 16496 colon 16496. Wait, what do you mean merge source? Okay, 16495. Dot. What do you mean merge conflict? What merge conflict? Oh, because it... All right. All right, let's just do it again. What is even happening right now? Okay. Clean it up. So it's a merge conflict because of the later thing that was not reverting. Okay, that actually did something, unlike when I did that in the UI. Okay. Now... let's go again. When we're about to get out of that tunnel, guys, you know what happens when you get out of the tunnel, don't you? I do. I certainly know what happens when you get out of that tunnel. When you get out of that tunnel. You guys are getting so much laundry bonus. It's really good. It's really good how much laundry bonus you're getting. You guys are not getting bitter herb at all. Not at all. Okay, boom. Revert R16496 and R16499 pending a fix. I will send an email. I had to revert R16496 and R16499 when running Sokoban in release mode was failing to detect most percent signs, thus causing chaos across the game. I didn't manage to look into whether it was the modifications to that specific code or something in ASM somewhere. I actually didn't run the tests with that version of. Okay. Oops. I also forgot. A top 5 scariest moment programming Sokoban. No, I mean, because I've had stuff like this happen before, where it's like, oh my God, something screwed up. It doesn't become scary until it looks like I have no idea what's going on, right? So there, I was able to look at the check-in log. I saw that somebody had checked in some assembly stuff, and I was like, oh, I remember putting some assembly in the print function, so maybe this is related, right? So that was actually pretty lucky. What's scary is when it's like, oh God, it's 10:30 and I have no idea what's going on, but things are broken and I'm not having a good time fixing it. And if I don't fix it by tomorrow morning, nobody in the company can work. That's bad. I mean, you can always just figure out what revision for them to go back to, but the problem is that might not even be possible, because what if people are modifying the engine code and the data and the engine need to be synced, and so you can't necessarily roll back without people being unable to make content anyway. Like, it's a whole thing sometimes. So I've had worse moments than this. That was just more like oh man, I hope this isn't bad, but then it turned out not to be bad. Telling the truth. Any more questions before I take my newly laundered comforter and go to bed? How do I avoid burnout? I find it easier to avoid burnout by working on different things. When I work on only one thing, it's just kind of oppressive a little bit after a while. That said, these shirts are still damp, actually. That said, working on as many things as I do is also not optimal. Like, I think ideal for me is to have a main project and then a side project that has no deadlines attached and I can just work on casually for fun, right? That's like, I think, the best. So right now it's higher pressure than that, but I still, I get enough variation in what I'm thinking about and what I'm working on that I don't mind it. I don't mind it. There is not a lot of bitter herb, although there is some. We almost had some bitter herb right there. Probably also helps to be able to choose your projects. It probably does. But maybe not. I mean, some people just don't. Like, picking a project that's good is actually hard. As you know from watching the non-sub only streams, I get a lot of people showing up saying, like, how do I know what to do? And it's like, well, I mean, sometimes that's just where people are at. They wouldn't really know what project to do that they would be really into, right? So, like, getting to pick your own project is only part of it. Like, knowing what you would be motivated to do is another part of it. Ever get ass and chair fatigue? A little bit. But I've learned to take, breaks for a few. Like, I've learned that when I get tired of working a little bit, it's fine. I always get motivated again later. I just need a little bit of a break. And so actually, last week, I don't think I took any complete days off, but I took a bunch of 2/3 days off last week. And that was enough to reset the way I feel. Do I think all my future projects will be in this language? I hope so. It means that we did a good job with it. Well, all future projects, no, because what I hope is that we discover extreme longevity and I live to 400 years old, and in the time span of my life, we go well enough beyond the capabilities of this language that we get something even better eventually. So no, not all. I don't hope that all of my future projects will be in this language. Do I have a specific location or activity that helps me come up with ideas? No, I don't really have problems coming up with ideas. Like, if anything, there's so much work to do per idea that there's a backlog of ideas. How can the internet be fixed? It just needs some will. It's just everybody's kind of spineless and has no will. What'll happen is somebody will start getting attacked, like, for real. There haven't really been like real cyber attacks yet. And by real, I mean you're being cyber attacked by somebody whose goal is to make you not exist anymore. Okay? Once that starts happening, we're going to want to change some things. Do I know how the module system is going to be? There's still some stuff we're figuring out. Did I start writing Sokoban in this language? Yes, I did. From the very beginning. No, like, dude, people have no idea how trivially hackable almost every computer system is. This PC that I'm using right now is so hackable in so many ways, you just can't even count. It's not possible to fix them all. It simply isn't. You have to delete it. You have to delete hardware and you have to delete software. Otherwise, it'll never be secure. Do I still dance? I did about a month ago when we had a temporary reprieve from lockdowns, but now, no. Like, a Windows PC will never, ever be secure, ever. That is just not a thing. It's not possible. Nor will a Mac OS, laptop or any of that stuff. It is simply not possible. I'm glad we got out of the dangerous tunnel there, though. It was looking bad for a second. When you get out of that tunnel, you get to Tony's Pizza. Half look like your phone.exe. Yeah, I mean, half of the processes on Windows are low security by design because they say service host and you don't know what caused the service host to launch or what it's running, right? Like, worst idea ever. Like, can you guys not at least change the process name to include what service it is, please? Like, if you think I'm joking, if you don't know about Windows, here we go. Details. Service host, service host. What are these? I don't know. There's like 100 of them. What are they doing? I don't know. There's no way to know. Look at all this shit on my machine. I don't want almost any of this. I'm glad Discord needs 5 separate processes to do anything. That's a good idea. Service host, 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 service host. What? Wait, you guys can't see the process manager? Wait, did I leave the screen off this whole time? Because I was emailing. Oh my God. Sorry, guys. Ha ha. We've just been hanging out with, I guess because I was sending email. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Now you can see it. All right. Here we go. Service host. 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 Oh, and then Chrome. And then Discord. And then Steam Web Helper. Like, how many Civis hosts is it a good idea to have? Like, what is any of that? I could be pwned 17 times in here and I wouldn't even know. And even if those weren't there, there's too many other things for me running to know if I'm pwned or not, right? Was it more often unclear whether a bug was engine or compiler related? Yeah, there definitely were more compiler bugs in that time that would cause bad code gen. They still happen, but they're pretty rare. They're pretty rare now. Like, it's been months since the last one that we ran into. I think a user reported a very minor one, like maybe 2 months ago, like a beta user. And we just fixed it right away. Do I get further talking about security or performance? It's sort of 2 different topics, and I've talked about them in different ways. I don't actually know. I don't actually know which one. You know, I think different people are more receptive to different ideas, right? So it's hard for me to know in general. Yeah, you did used to actually be able to see what programs were running. Like, dude, even on a multi-user workstation in college that was running a Unix operating system, you would do, you know, PS AUX, and you would see, you know, before you get to like whatever individual people were running, it'd be like 12 processes or something, 12 system processes, which still was probably too many, but like that's what there was, right? There was like cron D and syslog D and some stuff like that. It was nowhere near how bananas things are now. Are the processes in the services tag not the processes behind this? I don't know. Maybe. Like, I don't know what any of this stuff. I know because these are all stopped and whatever. So why would they have running things? I mean, I guess maybe the number of things listed here is running or what the civis hosts are. But then this doesn't really give me the same, like I can't click on here and see like child processes and stuff, which I would be able to do in the other. It's like the info, like just put this information over there, right? I mean, I guess I can cross-reference the PID from here. I can like remember the number and go here. It's just ass though. But like, I think this tab is new. I don't think it used to be there a long time ago. I don't know. Even on clean Windows 7, it was much better. Yeah. Windows 11 will surely, it will surely make everything better. Didn't I recently do a private talk in Silicon Valley on the state of software? I did one this weekend that was a shorter talk, but really in 2019, I did a longer one about performance that I've been meaning to do an official version of at some point, but I need to do a little more research on it before I do the full one, and I've just been so busy. Somebody should actually graph the number of processes running at startup in each in Windows, whatever the current version of Windows is every year from, you know, Windows 3 till today. Just how many processes? I would like to see that graph. I'm going to go admire my civis host, civis host, civis host, civis host. Do I know when my Theories of Everything thing is coming out? I do not know. I know that he was going to, he had me record the audio on my side so that he could edit in higher quality audio. And I didn't manage to record exactly the whole thing, but I gave him, you know, he's doing a little bit of editing on it and stuff. It's like non-trivial. He's not just like throwing the thing up, right? And also he just might have them scheduled. Like if you look at his feed, he like does a bunch of interviews, right? So I don't know if he paces them out or anything like that. So I will let you know. I will announce it to the people when I know. Dude, node.exe is running. Why? What am I running that wants node.exe? What even is happening? Why are there green booger boxes on my process list? Is that Dropbox running shit? What is even, somebody's updating? Like, somebody is doing a bunch of things that I do not want to be happening. I don't want any of this happening. Debate with Chomsky when? What would I debate Chomsky about? Approximately the Ackermann function? Oh my God. Do not say this. Do not say this to me. Wait, which one's bigger, Ackermann function or up arrow notation? I don't actually remember. I think up arrow is bigger, isn't it? Let's learn today. Yeah, I'm pretty sure up arrow is bigger. Like, so like 3 double up arrow 5 is 3 times 10 to the ridiculous. And that's for double up arrow, right? So like 3 triple up arrow 3 is this. Have fun with that. And then put 4 in there. Still smaller than tree of 3. I don't know what tree of 3 is. Can I search for tree function? This is, I just want to know what it is. I can't, this is not readable. Just tell me what it is. Like some of these articles are just completely fucking. Tree of 3 explodes to a value so immensely large that many other large combinatorial constants are extremely small. Oh yeah, okay, so Ackermann's function is 2 to the up arrow x minus 1 x. I see, okay. Graham's number is A, the 64-4. Tree is at least omega to the WW. This seems pretty big. I don't know. I don't want to stop and think about this, but it seems pretty big. Like, this is completely ununderstandable, though. Like, what the fuck am I reading? Okay, well, I did not know about the tree function, so I have learned education today. I will have to find a better explanation that I actually want to read about what the tree function is, though. I'm trying to get you to click more. I actually wouldn't be that surprised. And on every one that you click, there's a Jimmy Wales saying, please donate to Wikipedia. I mean, it's almost the end of the year. It's almost December month, which is please donate to Wikipedia month. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I think I'm going to get out of this tunnel and get bitter herb now. I think that is what I need to do. I'll see you all some other time. Thanks for having fun at the subscribers only stream where you got to see the compiler be totally broken. You got to see the friendly dragon walk around. You got to see Tree of Three. It was amazing. You got to see Tony's Pizza. All right, everybody. See you later. Polish version would be shorter. True.